Hello to all the traders and investors from Trading Guru and team. Today we are going to talk about post market analysis for the 6th of April and also see our view for 7th of April and give you 5 intraday stocks. So do watch the complete video and share your learnings in the comment section. Without wasting much of a time, here we go. Okay, on your screen right now is Nifty Bank on 15 minutes chart. If you see right here, uh, Bank Nifty has closed at 32,537. It has taken support many a times at this level of 32,500 and moved ahead. So this is a very good sign for Bank Nifty. Yes, if you see, there are a lot of hammers, revert hammers, which are available on 15 minutes chart, but again I don't see it as a bigger panic because the chances of it moving ahead has increased as it has shown good resistance at this level of 32,500. Talking about daily charts, again a red day on Nifty Bank, but if you see again, this is the third time that it has shown this resistance in the past maybe 7 or 8 trading sessions. This was the first one wherein at this level it showed some support and it moved upwards, and again it's the similar level wherein we are looking into. So if this level gets broken, that's 32,500, then we are scheduled for a bigger drop, which is not something that will be good for the Indian markets. So for me, I think I will always look for this level of 32,500. Below that, it's going to be bearish and people can think of buying a put or selling a call. About 34,500 is where you could say that the bulls are ready to enter the market and show their power. In between, I would say it's still going to be a sideways market wherein you will not see much of a moment. As we predicted yesterday, the market will be like a little on the muted side today, and that's what we saw after the action in the first 30 odd minutes. Talking about Nifty, if you see, it is showing better results compared to Bank Nifty. This is the second time wherein Nifty has retraced from the bottom and closed a little more above the levels of 14,500. So if you see, it has closed at 14,700, which is a very good level at the moment. Though I see that 14,720 is still a important resistance, but if everything remains good, you can expect that to be broken in the coming days. But again, Nifty Bank is something which is going to play a major role. Today, one good positive thing about Nifty Bank is HDFC Bank. It did not go ahead and fall that heavy as compared to the other banks like IndusInd and ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, for a matter of fact. So it's a positive for Nifty as well, as HDFC Bank holds a major share in this Nifty 50 as well. If you check on 15 minutes chart, it was almost, you can say it was a flat day, sideways day. A lot of option sellers would have made a lot of money today, and that's what it shows on this chart. So nothing much to say. I feel that it's into that territory wherein it's a no trade zone. Anything above 14,722 to be precise is going to be a bullish trend for some days. Anything below that, maybe like 14,500 or something like 14,450, and it is going to be a difficult zone, and the bears might just come back. Talking about US markets, Dow, if you see, it was at 33,429. As we make the video, it has shown some drop and it is trading in the range of about 3,370. So that is something on the live charts, but we are just going to go ahead and consider this at the moment. So it is again flat or maybe sideways since the time since yesterday when we discussed this, and I think it's still a positive zone for Indian markets if this sustains this level of 33,400. Talking about SGX Nifty after 3:30 has been a little on the positive side, but not that heavy. If you see, it is at 14,796. So you can consider a gain of about maybe 60 odd points on Nifty 50 since the market has closed, which is a positive and can go ahead and show some positive signs tomorrow as well. But these are crucial levels, as I always said. uh, Talking about top five gainers for the day, if you see, Adani Port has given a return of about 12.57%. If you checked our video yesterday, you must have seen that was one of our intraday picks, which has given superb returns. We request you to go ahead and subscribe to our channel so that you get such updates. This can be like a multi-bagger intraday stock kind of a thing for you all. Tata Consumer Foods again 4.5% up. Asian Paints about 4% up. JSW Steel 3.86% up. SBI Life Insurance making some positive moves towards 2.87% up. Talking about the top losers, Power Grid, a little correction there, 2.31% down. Eicher Motor, 1.22% down. Then the banks, IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank, which showed some 1% odd loss, and Grasim again, about 1% of loss right there. So yes, these are the shares, the positives, the top five and the top five gainers and the losers, which can be added to your list of watch list so that you can understand if there is some positive or a reversal trend and you can encash right there. Advances and declines ratio today it shows a little positive as compared to yesterday, 1041 advances towards 684 declines, which also is a positive for the Indian markets. So yes, today's picks for easy money were HCL, Bharti, Adani, IRCTC, and HDFC Bank. Looking into this, Bharti and Adani gave us a target. It hit the target on the buy side, and IRCTC hit the target on the sell side. HDFC Bank, we had triggered, a sell signal at 14:35, but the target of 14:27 was not achieved. It ended somewhere at 14:40, so it's somewhere in between the target or the stop loss. So we have just highlighted that. HCL did not go ahead and hit those levels of either buy or sell side. So if you see, out of the five trades that we had given, three were positives. We made profit, and in one trade we must have suffered a little loss, and one the price did not trigger. So all in all, a good day on intradays again. We have been delivering constantly pretty well results compared to this. Let's look into what stocks we have for offer for tomorrow. That's 7th of April. Okay, so these are the five picks for tomorrow which can give you amazing results. Number one on the list is HDFC Bank. You can buy about 1457, sell below 1433. Bharti Airtel, you can go ahead and buy about 537, sell below 525. Adani Ports, the winner again on the list, you can buy about 852, sell below 825.6. Madhusumi, you can go ahead and buy about 210.6, sell below 205.2. Axis Bank, you can buy about 685 and sell below 675.50. So I hope you have loved this channel and enjoyed this entire video. Do go ahead and subscribe to our channel so that we can go ahead and get you more of such amazing results, encouraging intraday picks, maybe our resistance and support levels, everything about the stock market on this channel. For that we'll need your support. Do subscribe for sure. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. Have a great day.